exciting! We're gonna earn our animal friendship charms for sure!
Thanks, Hazel, but it was your sparktastic idea.
Yeah, and who knew making birdhouses could be so stylish? We just have to finish them up and wait for a birdie to make it their home. Then we get our charms. And what bird wouldn't want to live in one of these?
I know, Lavender. I can totally see a charm bird hatch her little eggs in that sweet little house you made.
Oh, thanks, Posy. But what about yours? It's a birdie dream house.
Thanks.
It's the charmiest.
Treble gave me some good ideas.
Maybe I should add a swing to mine too.
Or you could finish the roof?
Right, the roof. I'm trying to make mine the hugest, most fantastic birdhouse ever. But it's not going very well.